work as a career advisor. I also have started as an HR consultant for small businesses within my community. And one of my dreams, the next step for that, is to actually have part of that as a recruitment agency. So I found the workshop from Joe online, doing research, which was very nice. And the team was very accommodating because I had to change my day. So my day was very nice here. He gave a lot of explanation on how it works, what's the evolution of the business, and how recruitment evolved the last 40 years. That's how many years of experience he has, which is great. And what we can expect to happen in the next couple of years, especially because after Brexit, after the pandemic, there's so many things changing. So it was very elucidating for me. Gave me a lot of knowledge and thought. I have a lot of things to think about, but also gave a lot of ground to my actual next steps. So Joe really puts himself through, gives a lot of explanation on, like I said, on how the things have evolved with the time, all the techniques, and how the actual business works, like where you're going to find the materials you're going to need, the jobs and the people, and how everything comes together. And it was very interesting because you can really see that his experience comes through today. It would be really for someone that is looking for to open their recruitment agencies, especially someone that wants to have more freedom in their lives, which is my case. I have worked in the formal market before, and I use my expertise to do what I do now. So this is adding more knowledge to what I want to do. So I think it would be very enlightening for people that are looking to get to the recruitment business, especially if you don't have any knowledge. It can be very tricky because it is overwhelming and daunting. When you start researching and you don't know the terms and you don't know what you're going to do, and you see a lot of people going into that, especially because you think you have a lot of competition, and Joe explains as well on how that is not a competition, that can actually be an asset for you.